Is a tiny tablet about to replace your gaming rig? Here's the rapid-fire truth about the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 5. Meet the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 5, a compact 8.8-inch beast built for hardcore gamers. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Translation: games like Genshin Impact run smoother than butter on a hot skillet. The 3K IPS display? Razor sharp at 165 Hz, and with a 480 Hz touch rate, your taps get registered faster than your reflexes. Playing PC games on Android? Yep, there's an emulator baked right in. Dual USB-C ports mean you can charge and hook up accessories at the same time, perfect for landscape gaming marathons. And with a beefy $9,000 mAh battery, you'll run out of snacks before you run out of juice. Plus, 68W fast charging gets you back in the action fast, though things can heat up, literally. But here's the rub. $850 is a big leap from previous genes, and the LCD, while bright, can't match OLED blacks. Bottom line: if you crave top-tier mobile gaming in a small package, this is pure luxury.